Everyone is looking for ways to make extra money online in 2025, but most people are completely overlooking one of the simplest, most accessible opportunities right in front of them. What if I told you I've made over $350,000 over the past 3 years simply by creating product review videos for Amazon, or as Amazon likes to call them, shoppable videos. And the best part, you don't need any special skills, fancy equipment, or even a large social following to get started. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how anyone, yes, even you, can make $10,000 per month reviewing products on Amazon. I'll walk you through my exact system that allows me to earn passive, recurring income while Amazon does all the marketing for me. Now, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, okay? It's a legitimate opportunity that Amazon themselves have created, yet most people have no idea that it exists. So if you're tired of trading dollars for hours and want to build a semi-passive income stream that pays you month after month, keep watching. Let's get into it. So the first thing you need to understand is why this opportunity is so powerful right now. Okay, Amazon is the largest e-commerce platform in the world, with millions of people making purchasing decisions every single day. And here's what most people don't realize. Amazon desperately wants authentic, helpful product videos to help their customers make informed buying decisions, okay? That's why they created the Amazon Influencer Program, to reward people like you and me for creating these honest product reviews that just simply help shoppers. But here's where it gets really interesting. When you create a product review as part of the program, Amazon will actually market it for you. This means they'll show your review video to their customers who are actively looking to buy that exact product. So once you create the content once, it continues to earn for you month after new shoppers see it. That's why I call it a semi-passive income stream, because you do have to do the work up front, and then the commissions, they keep rolling in. And the best part is you can start by just reviewing all the products you have around your house. Now, you might be wondering, if this is so great, why isn't everyone doing it? The truth is that most people who try to make money with these Amazon review videos, they're doing it completely wrong. They're focused on the wrong products, they're creating boring, unhelpful content, and they have no system for actually scaling their earnings. These mistakes are literally costing them thousands of dollars in potential earnings each month. In fact, when I first started my Amazon influencer journey, I made all of these mistakes too. I was getting a few sales here and there, but nothing super significant. It wasn't until I developed a specific system for choosing the right products and creating compelling review videos that my earnings really started to skyrocket. I went from making a few $100s a month to over $10,000 every single month consistently. Now you might be thinking, but Kathleen, don't I need a large following to make this work? It's called the Amazon Influencer Program after all. And the answer is absolutely not, okay? That is the beauty of the Amazon Influencer Program, because Amazon does the marketing for you by showing your content to the people who are already searching for the products that you're reviewing. You're also probably wondering, is this actually going to be sustainable long term? And the answer is yes, absolutely. Amazon's program has only been growing year after year. In fact, they're investing more heavily in this program because it helps their customers make better purchase decisions. They're also launching all these new opportunities within the program and outside the program to help customers make these decisions and help us, Amazon influencers, make more money and get rewarded for that. You may also be wondering, do I need to buy all these products myself? Not necessarily, okay? While having the product definitely helps, there are ways to create these shoppable videos without actually purchasing every single item. Another thing to know is that product selection is everything. The difference between making $500 and $10,000 a month, it comes down to the products you choose to create shoppable videos for. Okay, most beginners, they waste months reviewing these low commission, low demand products simply because they don't know any better. I've seen people create these beautiful professional quality videos and they earn pennies because they chose the wrong products. Meanwhile, someone creates just a simple smartphone video for a high-demand item and can earn thousands. It is not about the quality of your video, it's about reviewing products that people actually want to buy. A question I get all the time is, how many videos do I have to make in order to get to $10,000 in earnings every single month? And that is just the wrong question to ask. It's all about the products that you are reviewing in your videos, not about the amount of videos that you make. And to go along with that, timing really means more than you think, okay? There's a specific window of opportunity for most products on Amazon, because if you review a product too early, there won't be enough search volume. But if you review it too late, you'll be competing with hundreds of other Amazon influencers. Learning to spot products in their sweet spot is one of the most valuable skills that you can develop as an Amazon influencer. And I really have to say this, consistency beats perfection, right? Done is better than perfect. I've seen so many people get stuck in the trap of trying to create the perfect video, right? They spend weeks planning and then filming and then editing just one single video. And then they wonder, why am I not making any money yet? Right? The truth is that consistency will always beat perfection with this business, okay? It's better to create 3 good enough reviews each week than 1 perfect review each month. This is especially true when you're starting out and you're still learning what works and what doesn't work. When you're getting started, it is important to know that you can review anything, right? You can review stuff from your kitchen, from your bedroom, your shoes, your kids' clothes, whatever that may be. Consult your order history and start there. You do not have to just focus on one particular category and niche down right away. That's always something that you can do later as you grow and expand this income stream for yourself. But you really have the opportunity to create videos about anything and everything that you use and love and are for sale on Amazon. So there you have it. That is exactly why literally anyone can make $10,000 per month reviewing products on Amazon. The opportunity is available to anyone who is willing to follow the system and put in the work. You can start small and scale up as you go, building a semi-passive income stream that pays you month after month. So if you're ready to start with Amazon product reviews, but you want more guidance on exactly how to get started, I've got something very special for you. I've created this completely free, comprehensive masterclass where I share everything you need to know about the Amazon Influencer Program and how you can maximize your earnings. In this free masterclass, you will learn how to apply and get accepted into the program, my exact process for finding high commission products that actually convert, how to create compelling video content even if you're camera shy, the specific strategies that I use to earn on-site commissions where Amazon does the marketing for you. So click the link in the description to access my free masterclass and learn how you could be making money as soon as this week. Make sure you like and subscribe and click here to watch some common mistakes people make when starting to make videos for the Amazon Influencer Program.